Quality Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are exactly the same. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel studs of each wheel. All forces are transmitted to each Tesla Model Y hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Tesla Model Y wheel spacers installed. Installed hub-centric Tesla Model Y wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centered ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plane. These Tesla Model Y wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum chance of wheel vibration. Quality Tesla Model Y wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best Tesla Model Y wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in road-time maintenance. BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the trim first match the corresponding hub frames, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric Tesla Model Y wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, the BONOSS forged active cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. Here are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. Also, the BONOSS forged active cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you a peace of mind.